Hey, it's Chet here. Gonna show you some of the features of the cameras that we have. In particular, this one here is the outdoor camera, but the indoor camera is the very same. And then the doorbell is pretty much the same, except obviously there's no pan or tilt available on it. So we'll go through the options here, the buttons here underneath the screen. I'll just show you what each of them does. So the first button here is screenshot. If you click that, it'll just save an image of what's currently live onto the device. So if you have an Android, you'll get a dedicated photo album, and they will show in there for you. If you have an iPhone, those pictures will go directly into your camera roll. Next option is the speak option. So this turns on the microphone on your phone and your voice will be output through the camera itself. Next one is the record option. So this will record what's currently live on the screen. This will save that into that phone gallery as well. And the next one we have is playback. So playback is for playing back from the SD card. So the outdoor camera has an SD card built in. The indoor camera and the doorbell, you need to install an SD card. So I'll just show you how that works. So we'll click into playback. So it's going to start, this is set to continuously record, which it does. So it's defaulted back to midnight last night or first thing today. So you can skip through at any point on that. You catch the every time the sun rises. So we can see it switches from night mode to day mode. And then if you know, like if a particular event happened, say yesterday, you can go in, it'll show you the days that the recordings are available from. So for the outdoor camera, you get about 2 or 3 days recording on the SD card full time. So just looking there, I know yesterday I was outside washing the car, and so there I am washing the car yesterday. So I've got the full 24 hours of yesterday. You can skip through at any point. Save again, then when it gets dark, it switches into night mode, constantly recording. So you can save clips from this. Again, just hit the record button or just hit the screenshot button and it'll get saved to your phone. The other option we have here is cloud storage. So this is, it's optional and it's paid for. The price and details are available on that. So what this does is anytime it detects motion, it'll record a clip to the cloud. So earlier we had a van outside, some guy was doing some work, so that was just catching clips of, vehicles going by, this guy doing his work. If I want to save that picture, just save a picture of that. And the same if I want to record, just hit record. And it's going to record a video for as long as I want it. And then I only activated the cloud storage today, so I've only got 1 day's data on that. But depending on which cloud package you go for, you can have up to a month's worth of data there. So back into the live view of the camera, then we have direction, so we can do our pan and our tilt. And rather than using that control, we can actually just swipe the screen and the camera will move as well. And lastly, we have alarm, which just turns on our motion detection or our sound detection, and you can have a schedule for those detections either. And maybe you don't want the alarm going off during the day, just nighttime, depending on what your camera's looking at. And then just into the settings for the camera. Go in here. So again, detection alarm settings. If you turn on motion detection alarm, you've got sensitivity level. So this kind of depending on how much motion is on the screen itself, whether it's going to detect and trigger that alarm. And then really this just says kind of the storage settings. You can see how much the SD card is used. You got the options for, schedule the recording mode, non-stop or event recording. So event recording being when motion is detected. I think it's kind of useful just to have non-stop recording there just in case any event happens. And you can format your storage as well. So VAS is your value-added service. So this is your cloud storage. So you go in there to purchase that. And then IR Night Vision, whether you want that automatic or not, automatic works great. I think that is it for the cameras. Of course, if you have any questions, drop us an email at connect@robus.com or comment below in the video.